everyone, welcome to Learn English with Me channel. In today's lesson, I hope to teach you some basic English phrases for introducing yourself and friends, as it is mentioned in this video title. As you see, this video is for beginners. Let's start our lesson. Hi, I am, and then you add your name. And you? Hi, I am Adam. أهلا, أنا اسمي Adam. And you? So here is an informal greeting you can use when you meet new friends. If the person does not tell you their name, you can say your name first, then ask, and you? Or, and what is your name? وأنت ما اسمك? Let's repeat. Hi, I am Adam. Hi, I am Adam. And you? And you? Or, and what is your name? What is your name? Our next expression is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Let's repeat again. Nice to meet you. معناه سعيد بلقائك. So, after you learn each other's names, it is polite to say this phrase, nice to meet you. يعني من بعد ما تعرفوا كنقولوا هذه العبارة تشرفت بلقائك أو سعيد بلقائك. For example, Hi Ibrahim, I am Ali. Hi Ibrahim, I am Ali. Nice to meet you, Ali. Nice to meet you, Ali. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. يعني وأنا أيضا سعيد بلقائك. Our next expression is where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? أمامنا خريطة. إذن نقصد به من أي بلد أنت? Where are you from? Ask this question to find out which country someone is from. يعني كنسولو هذا السؤال باش نعرفوا البلاد ديال الشخص اللي كنتحاوروا معاه. You answer this question by I am from. For example, I am from Morocco. I am from Morocco. I am from وكنضيفوا ليها البلد اللي كنتميو ليه. I am from Morocco. For example, nice to meet you, Ali. So, where are you from? Nice to meet you, Ali. So, where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Morocco. I am from Morocco. Our next expression is what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Or it means what do you do for a living? يعني what is your job? ما هي مهنتك أو ما هو عملك? It means what do you do for a living? What is your job? What is your job? يعني ما هي مهنتك أو ما هو عملك أو ما هي وظيفتك. For example, what do you do, Iman? What do you do, Iman? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. أنا أستاذة. We can also ask this question, what do you enjoy doing in your free time, Iman? What do you enjoy doing in your free time, Iman? Or, What do you like to do in your free time, إيمان؟ يعني ماذا تحبين أن تفعلي في وقت فراغك؟ Next. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? Phone number, like in here. We can also ask about email address. Email address, بريد إلكتروني. This is one of the questions we can ask for a phone number or email. Can I get your phone number? Or can I get your email? يعني هل يمكن الحصول على رقم هاتفك أو بريدك الإلكتروني؟ Can I get your phone number? Can I get your email? So we ask this question if we want to keep in contact with someone. نطرح هذا السؤال إذا بغينا نبقاو على تواصل مع شخص ما. Ask this question to find out their phone number. You can replace phone number with email address like in here. Phone number or email address. You might also hear people use this or the more casual expression. For example, it would be great to meet up again sometime. What is your phone number? It would be great to meet up again sometime. What is your phone number? Next. Do you have Facebook? Do you have Facebook? Do you have Facebook? So many people keep in touch or contact through Facebook. Use this question to find out if someone has a Facebook account. You may also ask ممكن أيضا أن نسأله بهذه الطريقة. Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Or let's keep in touch. Do you have Facebook? Let's keep in touch. Do you have Facebook? Next, introducing others. يعني تقديم الآخرين. We are going to learn some expressions to introduce others. For example, let's imagine this person is presenting Ali to Neda. He can say, Ali, please meet Neda. Ali, please meet Neda. Or, Ali, have you met Neda? Ali, have you met Neda? Or, I'd like you to meet Neda. I'd like you to meet Neda. I'd like you to meet Neda. Or, I'd like you to introduce you to Neda. I'd like you to introduce you to Neda. Or, Neda, this is Ali. Ali, this is Neda. Okay, now we are going to learn some useful responses when introducing yourself or other people. For example, we can say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Happy to meet you. Happy to meet you. Or, how do you do? How do you do? إذن هنا نتعلم بعض العبارات ديال تقديم أنفسنا أو تقديم الآخرين. Next, things to remember. When introducing yourself or other people in a formal situation, use full names. It's unlike informal situation. In informal situations, we can just present our personal name and that's it. But in formal situations, we use full names. يعني في اللقاءات الرسمية نستعمل اسمنا بالكامل. وفي اللقاءات الغير رسمية يعني بين الأصدقاء إلى آخره نستعمل فقط اسمنا الشخصي. For example, we can say, I'm Ali Madani, or I am Ali Madani. As you see here, I have presented my full name. Ali as a personal name and Madani as a family name. Okay, and try to remember also this expression, how do you do? How do you do is not a question. It isn't really a question. It just means hello. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video and I hope that you learned something with me. And thank you for watching.